Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the screw in here and get this set in place. So now that's set in place. Now I'm going to take this piece and get it to go on down in there. Now watch, it's going to give me more difficulty than normal, but just push it up in there. I'll move out of the way in a minute once I just need to get the thing to scooch up in there. Now see what happens, Craig. You turn the camera on. All right, keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. We're getting in there. No boat part loses here. I mean, the boat part loses. Not me. So I was just pushing that in there until I could get. I'm pushing it too far. Hold on, Craig. Hold on, Craig. Don't go away on me yet. There. So I just pushed it in there until it lined up with the screw. Now we're going to put that on. And I'll take it over to the shop and tighten it up before you mail it back.